If you're experiencing the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart Steam. Close the Steam application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh your connection to the cloud services and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. In Steam, right-click on CS2 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them. Step 4. Check Cloud Save Settings. Go to the Steam Settings, navigate to the Cloud tab, and ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which supported option is checked. This setting must be enabled for cloud saves to function. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Steam support or the game's support team for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error for better help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your game.